Today I'm unboxing and assembling the Yamaha Arius YDP-165, a mid-range digital piano that's ideal for beginners, students, and intermediate players looking for a high-quality home setup. If you're thinking about buying one or just curious about what's inside and how it all goes together, this video will give you a clear idea of what to expect. I picked up the YDP-165 in Rosewood finish for 2,100 Canadian plus tax. It also comes in black or white. It's a full-size 88-key digital piano with graded hammer action, 3 pedals, and built-in speakers, ideal if you want an acoustic-like experience in a compact form. The box is pretty large, about 5.15 feet long, 2.1 feet wide, and 1.9 feet tall. So it definitely won't fit in a standard sedan. Luckily, I had it directly shipped to my home, which made things a lot easier. Just a heads up, I used a box cutter to slice the tape and carefully remove the industrial staples to avoid damaging the contents. Everything inside was well protected with foam and cardboard layers to avoid damage during shipping. Let's go over what's in the box. Placed in the foam pads are 2 small packets, the screw set and the headphone hanger. Then there's the main body or key bed, the heaviest and most delicate part. This contains the keys, built-in speaker, control panel, and a pre-attached music rest. My first impression was that it felt very solid and well built. I'm also happy with the rosewood finish. It looks great in person. My wife helped lift the key bed, which is heavy and awkward to move alone. Definitely a 2-person job. Next up, we have the 2 components for the AC adapter. We have the first half here, and we have the second half here. Next is the back panel. And we have some extra packaging for protection. Next here is the pedal box unit. This contains all 3 pedals and supports half pedaling, which means that the sustain pedal changes depending on how far you press the pedal, a great feature for expressive playing. This box here was a surprise. It contains the piano bench, which is flat packed but simple to assemble. Then there's the left and right side panels. And finally, the instruction manual and the music book, Yamaha's 50 classical music masterpieces, which is a nice bonus. Everything arrived in good condition with no visible damage. Now onto the assembly. All I needed were a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. The whole process took us about 45 minutes. A nice touch was the assembly instruction, including the screw chart, were printed right on the box lid, which was super handy. Here's the general order we followed. Attach the left and right side panel to the pedal box. Then we connected the back panel. Then we carefully placed and secured the keyboard unit on top. We plugged the power supply and the pedal connector to the keyboard. Adjusted the pedal's bottom foot so it touched the floor properly. And finally attached the headphone hanger using the included screws. As for the piano bench, assembly was quite simple with the included wrench. Just a reminder, This is what worked for us. Make sure to follow Yamaha's manual to avoid damaging anything during your own setup. Once assembled, the YDP-165 really feels like a piece of furniture. The finish is clean, the key action feels premium, and the pedals are responsive. It delivers a true acoustic piano vibe. The Rosewood finish strikes a nice balance between traditional and modern. Nothing feels wobbly or cheap. It's a solid build. This is my first time setting up a digital piano like this, so I hope this walkthrough helps you feel more prepared if you're planning to assemble one yourself. If you have any questions about the unboxing or assembly process, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to share more of my experience. See you in the next one.